So apparently, according to Adobe, everyone can create with AI, or according to their YouTube video, everyone can make believe. Now, I've been looking at their video and trying to understand how they made their advert, and we're going to go through and check out some prompts and see if we can create this for ourselves. So let's just quickly take a look at the video. So it is a kind of a library, and we're using the marquee tool, selecting the back of the library, gen fill, right, okay, what prompt, jungle. Hit generate. Adds a jungle. Alright, we're using the lasso tool. Get rid of the floor. Lush moss. Generate, and it just does it. Oh, you can select different ones. Great, okay. Select another area with a marquee tool. Pond. Adds a pond. Perch toucan facing right. Jaguar drinking from pond. Tropical plants. And then you can use the expand generate, I think it is, and you can add some more plants. Right, so that's the general gist of it. Let's see what happens when we go through ourselves and create a Photoshop version of this. Okay, so I've been online and I've discovered an image that I want to use. Shout out to Wendell Morty on Pixels for this image. It's the closest one I can find. Let's go through and kind of create the image. First, use the marquee tool. So grab the marquee tool, add in there, forest. Okay, kind of looks alright. Yeah, we'll add that one. So we've got a forest. Next, use the selection tool to get the floor. Add that. Gen fill, lush, moss. Like a garden. It's a bit swampy. We'll have that one. Okay, next one. Then we need to create this pond looking thing. Let's create a pond in the back. There. Pond. More like a hole. I'm not sure about this pond. I don't know what that is. Clean pond. More like a paddling pool. A hole. More. Okay, we'll have this paddling pool looking thing. So we need to add jaguar drinking from pond. I don't know what that looks like, but what's it doing? No, maybe not. Let's change the selection, deselect, try again, gen fill, jaguar drinking from pond. Is that one having a cup of tea? That looks like is that a cup of tea? Is he drinking a cup of tea? I don't know, I'm not having that one. That one. Let's have that one. Alright, so we need this toucan now. So we're going to put it on this shelf here. Toucan. Perched. Facing right. It's a toucan's head. There's a couple of I like this toucan that's poking its head over. Look at that, a sneaky toucan. Well, we like them too. Let's put some more toucans in. I think we can put a parrot here instead. We're getting creative now. Parrot on perch. Facing right. Sneaky toucan. We like that sneaky toucan. Sneaky toucan. Right, it's facing left. But we'll... that one's having a lie down. What is that one doing? What are you up to, pal? What's he doing? Let's just change it to facing left. Well, I don't know what that is. Alright, we'll keep him. Right, next we're going to put some tropical plants in the back. So tropical plants there. Press the shift key and put it there. Tropical plants. What we got? Plastic. What about the shadows on that? We'll have that one. Let's put another one in here. Tropical plant. Sticking out the box. That's how we like it. Yeah, growing out the box. Fantastic. That's exactly what we want. Right, the last thing we need to do is use this expand tool. Generative expand. Let's just click on that first. And we're going to zoom out. And let's just zoom right out to there. Generate. That's actually not bad. I'm not sure what's on these shelves. I'm not sure if it's a library anymore. Oh, they're selling granite. Are they selling granite? What are these things? It's not quite a library. And they've got some toasters for sale. I get it. I get it. I mean, it's not bad. You know, it's not bad. So what do you think of that? Apparently everyone can create with AI. I've created something with AI, with generative fill. What would you use it for? Like, literally, what would you use it for? I mean, the jury's still out on this AI thing. Would you use it in a project? Let me know in the comments. What's been your result of using Gen AI in Photoshop or any of the other Adobe packages? Let me know. I hope you got something out of this video. I hope it was entertaining. If you did, consider subscribing to the video. If you got something out of the video, consider hitting the like button and hitting subscribe. And I will see you in another one of my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. What is that? What is that tail? Does it have... Whose feet are those? London bus. It's not a London bus, is it? T-Rex head. Okay.